Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. In today's video we are going to discuss about the factors affecting the speed of sound. So let's start our today's lecture. As you know that in our previous lecture first we discussed about the Newton formula for finding speed of sound, and after that we discussed the Laplace correction in Newton formula, and Laplace derived the formula for finding speed of sound, which is V equal to gamma B divided by rho. Rho is density, gamma is constant, that gamma is equal to Cp by Cb, and P is the pressure. So by using this formula, Laplace find the speed of sound, calculated the value of speed of sound, that's equal to 332 meter per second. Now in this lecture we are going to discuss about different factors which affect the speed of sound. As you know that sound is a longitudinal wave and it's a material dependent wave. So sound wave require a certain material medium for their propagation, for transmission. As in our formulas of finding speed of sound, we take the gaseous medium, like we take air for transmission of sound. So we discuss different factors which affect the speed of sound. The first factor which affect the speed of sound is density of the material medium. It's a material dependent wave, so obviously density of material medium affect the speed of sound. As from the formula of speed of sound, it's clear that V relate with density. V is speed of sound and rho is the density of a medium in which sound wave is traveling. So according to this formula, V is inversely proportional to square root of density. Whenever there is increase of density of a medium, then there is decrease of speed. Like we take gaseous medium, and you know that different gases have different density, like oxygen have different density than hydrogen. We said that if air is combination of different gases, so air density is different from pure hydrogen gas, oxygen gas. So if just talk about this gaseous medium, then in gaseous medium density of different gases is different, so sound speed is in different gases is different. If we talk about the more denser gas, then the speed of sound in that gas is less as compared to less denser gas. As density of oxygen is greater than the density of hydrogen, so according to this relation, speed of sound in oxygen is less than the hydrogen, because oxygen is a denser gas and hydrogen is a lighter gas. According to this relation, speed of sound is greater. Sound move faster in lighter gas as compared to denser gas. Oxygen is denser than hydrogen, so speed of sound is greater in hydrogen, which is lighter, having less density as compared to oxygen. The second factor on which speed of sound in gaseous medium depend is moisture in gaseous medium. Like we said that medium is air, so moisture in air also affect the speed of sound. In wet air, speed of sound is different as compared to dry air. How moisture affect the speed of sound? Moisture reduces the density of air, so velocity of sound increases. As in in moist air, density is greater, so when density greater, then speed of sound is less. Due to moisture in the air, density increases. Due to increase of density, the speed of sound in gaseous medium, like in air, speed of sound decreases. And when you have dry air or dry gas, then speed of sound is greater. The third factor on which speed of sound depend is pressure. Now from equation of speed of sound, it's clear that it's sure that V depend upon pressure, because here P is pressure. according to this relation, V directly depend upon pressure. Now we see that is there any relation between speed of sound and pressure or not? For finding expression for speed of sound, relation between speed of sound and pressure, let's reconsider a gas having temperature T, volume V. Now when we exert the pressure over the gas, due to pressure, this gas is having 1 mole, n is equal to 1, we take 1 mole of gas at temperature T, having volume V, and here we exert the pressure over that 1 mole of gas. Now we can write the expression for temperature, pressure and volume by using universal gas law, PV is equal to nRT. Here we take 1 mole of gas, so n is equal to 1. We have expression PV is equal to RT because n is equal to 1. By this equation, if we derive the value of V, now V equal to RT divided by P, where R is general gas constant. This gas is having mass m, so the density of this gas rho is equal to mass per unit volume. Now if we replace this volume with this value, the equation of density become m divided by RT divided by P. We replace V with its value, which we derive by universal gas equation, ideal gas equation. We can write MP divided by RT, because P is on third place, we can take it over a first place, we can take it as a nominator term. So the density of a gaseous medium in which sound wave is traveling is equal to MP divided by RT. Now we replace this value of density in formula of speed of sound, that V is equal to gamma P divided by rho. We replace this rho with its value, that's equal to MP by RT. So the equation of speed of sound become V is equal to gamma P divided by MP divided by RT. This P is cancelled with this P, so the remaining terms we have in equation V is equal to gamma RT divided by M. RT is on third place, so we can write it over a first place, gamma RT divided by M. By this equation, the speed of sound only depend upon temperature and it's not depend upon the pressure. It's not depend upon pressure. These three are constant terms, so there is relation between temperature and speed of sound, but it's independent on pressure of the gaseous medium. As by this relation, it showed that there is relation between pressure and speed of sound. There is direct relation between pressure and speed of sound. But when there is increase of pressure, in compression there is increase of pressure, but along with increase of pressure there is increase of density. Due to increase of pressure, speed of sound increases, but due to increase of density, speed of sound decreases. So the speed of sound remain unaffected whenever there is change of pressure in a gaseous medium, because along increase of pressure there is increase of density, with decrease of pressure there is decrease of density. So speed of sound remain unaffected due to variation in the pressure of the gaseous medium. Another factor on which speed of sound depends is wind. The speed of air in which sound wave is traveling also affect the speed of sound. If wind is blowing in direction of motion of sound wave, then the speed of sound increases and the total speed of sound is V plus VW, where VW is the speed of wind, speed of the air. If sound wave is traveling in same direction as direction of blowing wind or air, then speed of sound increases. But in opposite direction to the movement of air, speed of sound decreases. So we can write the expression V minus VW. VW is the speed of wind and V is the speed of sound. So in direction of movement of air, speed of sound increases, and in opposite direction the speed of sound decreases. Wind speed or air speed also affect the speed of sound. These are some factors which affect the speed of sound. I hope you clear about all these factors. If you have any confusion or question, you can ask in your WhatsApp group. Thank you.